go! I don't want to harm you.
Against the roll of darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places. So bold the full armor to withstand in the evil days.
Yeah, Mike.
Yes.
If the deal goes through, I'll make sure I introduce you to the man. And honestly, he's a very good man.
Look, I told you there's no problem. I have all the documents with me inside. I can even show it to you.
That's great.
What did I tell you? Didn't I tell you not to come here again?
What's all this?
Nonsense.
Hilda! Please, excuse me.
Damn it!
Hilda, why did you pour water on Ken?
Mike, I can't explain it to you. Ken is a bad friend.
What has he done to make him a bad friend?
You won't understand. Just leave me to deal with him. I know what I'm doing.
You are getting me confused.
Don't get confused, darling.
We've tried all possible avenues, but Hilda has blocked all of them. Hey, Hilda!
Hilda!
All right. Anyway, I have a new plan. Yes.
Ken, are we safe?
Yes, we are safe. This is a friend of mine from a different group. I will use her. I once introduced him to Mike, and he seemed to be interested.
Fine.
So I think it will be better for us now. Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Bibi.
Can you do it?
In my group, I'm the external agent. And this assignment falls within my jurisdiction.
Fine. Do you know my son?
Yes.
Fine. She can do it.
Yes.
Then the rest is up to you.
Be rest assured.
Do you want your food served now or later?
Oh, get away! Stupid girl. Foolish girl.
You can die. I won't give him up.
Foolish girl. You are enjoying.
What happened to your face?
It's Hilda. I was in the kitchen cooking. She pounced on me, used her fingers to scratch my face. Look at Just look at my face. Look at my face.
This is something else. Today she will leave my house.
She has to.
Hilda! Hilda! Do that to my mouth. Huh?
Mike! Mike, what is this?
How can you do this to my mother? No matter what she did to you.
Mike, you don't understand. I didn't touch her.
Liar.
Now I see you are truly mad.
Mike.
Leave my house and don't you come back.
Mike, I swear I didn't do those things to her. Mike.
You're treating my mother this way.
Mike, understand me.
Do you know how she suffered before she gave birth to me? Now get out of my house! Out! All of you! Out! And stay out! Mama, Ma, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let me get the car key and take you to the hospital.
I don't want to go to the hospital.
Why? Okay. I'll get you some medicine from the pharmacy shop. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, don't worry.
Come and kiss me and enjoy yourselves.
Against the rule of darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places. So put on the full armor to withstand in the evil days. Hold on the breastplate of righteousness. Be strong in the Lord and pray without ceasing. Hold on the
Hey, what is this? What is happening?
You frosted. You think you can dupe me?
Landlord, what is the matter?
Oh, are you saying you don't know what the matter is? You've sold all your belongings. You have nothing again in my house.
If I sell my belongings, does it concern you?
Oh, yes. Because I'm afraid you will soon sell my house as well. So I have locked up the place. Go. I don't want to see you near my house again. Because if you do, I'll have you arrested.
But this is cheating.
What is cheating?
You can't just sack me. Then I have to take you to the fast track court.
Oh, you can take me anywhere you want. But all I know is that I have locked up my place. Just leave.
All right. If you have taken your house, then my balance.
Look at this useless man talking about balance. You've not paid 6 months arrears, and you are talking of me giving you balance. Useless man. You are hopeless.
So, where do you want me to sleep now?
You can go and sleep in hell.
Why? For Safwa. When I come on, I'll say, "Menya baby."
suffering of others. And here, Margaret. Margaret is the role model. That when I have left for paradise, you will step into my big shoes. Margaret, you have shown that you have a heart for it.
Thank you, most respectfulness. I request for new assignment. I want him dead. Before the prophecy of his causing my doom plays itself up.
Against the rule of darkness, all the inspiration.
Do you want your food served now or later?
Oh, get away! Stupid girl. Foolish girl.
You can die. I won't give him up.
Foolish girl. You are enjoying.
What happened? What happened to your face?
It's Hilda. I was in the kitchen cooking. She pounced on me, used her fingers to scratch my face. Look at Just look at my face. Look at my face.
This is something else. Today she will leave my
She
house.
has to.
Hilda! Hilda! Do that to my mother. Huh?
Mike! Mike, what is this?
How can you do this to my mother? No matter what she did to you.
Mike, you don't understand. I didn't touch her.
Liar.
Now I see you are truly mad.
Mike.
Leave my house and don't you come back.
Mike, I swear I didn't do those things to her. Mike.
You're treating my mother this way.
Mike,
Are you
Mike,
crazy?
understand me.
Do you know how she suffered before she gave birth to me? Now get out of my house! Out! All of you! Out! And stay out! Mama. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let me get the car key and take you to the hospital.
I don't want to go to the hospital.
Why? Okay. I'll get you some medicine from the pharmacy shop. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, don't worry.
Come and kiss me and enjoy yourselves. Come.
What are you doing here? Hasn't he sacked you?
Yes. He sacked me physically, but I'm still protecting him spiritually.
You cannot even allow me inside your house, Brother Mike. What is wrong with you?
Shut up. Now, I don't want anything or anybody connected to Hilda inside this house. Now, you leave my premises before I get angry with you.
Okay. But mark my words, you will live to regret this.
You are really now pissing me off. Get out of my house! Out!
Fellow members, why must Margaret chase me out of my husband's place, even after you took my baby as a punishment? I want an apology from her, and also to be reinstated back to my husband's place. Your respect.
It's all right, Margaret. Let me resolve this immediately. It looks like the quality of a witch has fast become an essential commodity. A witch has no emotion, and a witch has no relationship except that should be beneficial to the community. Therefore, Hilda, your requests have no basis in the community of celestial elegance like ours. Life must play its destiny out, and a witch will always be a witch. You have acted and must be punished. You are hereby suspended from all our meetings, and your spiritual lives are hereby taken. You are hereby excommunicated from all our meetings until you do a remarkable deed to the community.
Your Majesty, I have a friend from another witch camp who has volunteered to do the task we ask Hilda to do for us.
I perfectly agree with Ken. Hilda knows everyone present here. It is advisable to use somebody unknown to Hilda. You are welcome to our camp. We give you the assignment to work on Mike for us. Are you ready to work with us?
Your Majesty, I'm prepared to do whatever you ask me to do.
I therefore add to your powers.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. What can I do for you?
I know you cannot make me out. My name is Bibi. I was once here with your friend Ken.
Bibiana. Oh, yes, I've now remembered you. Please, come and sit down. How are you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
Good. What are you doing here?
I came to see a friend around this area and decided to visit you.
Oh, that's good of you. Yes, I was just about to go out for lunch. I hope you don't mind joining me.
No, I don't mind.
Satan has no love, no compassion.
Just get myself ready and then we
Takes
are
joy
off.
and pleasure in your suffering.
Okay,
Like
after
a
you.
rolling lion, he moves around, seeking whom to devour all the time. Satan has no love.
Oh, Mama, I am on my way to the office. Bibi is in her room, but Fred is out for classes.
All right. Have a successful day.
Thank you.
If the child does not want the mother to sleep, he too will not sleep. This is a destiny foretold long ago. That this boy Mike will cause my ruin. But I won't let that happen. I must ruin him before he ruins me. All you sorts of living places here, come be my companion. Come! 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 Grandma, are you a witch? Why did you take my grandson from me? Oh, why did you allow the stove to burn him?
I was in the bedroom. You could have called me to light the cooker for you.
But this is strange. Fred has been using the cooker all these years.
Oh, Fred. Mike, God knows why he took Fred from my son. Oh.
Ow.
Freddie.
Will I see you again? Ow.
Benson, what is it?
Sir, there has been a terrible accident, sir. Yes. Our warehouse has been gutted by fire, sir. Oh, sir.
Satan has no love, no compassion for you. Takes joy.
Now leave my house. Just get out of my house.
Mike, why? What have I done?
You don't know? Ever since you came to this house, everything has been going wrong for me. Now leave. Get out.
Me, Mike? Bringing bad luck to you?
Yes. And please leave before I lose my temper. Leave.
Mike, you made a mistake. You don't know her from Adam, and you brought her into your home. Why? Leave. Get out of this house. Don't let me use my slippers on you. Go away from this house. Out you go. I shall bad luck. Go away. Leave this place.
Satan has no love, no compassion for you. Takes joy and pleasure in your suffering.
Well, James, please give me some time. I will pay. The goose got burnt. I did not embezzle the money.
Mike, the same explanation all the time. I want my money, not any cock and bull story. I am giving you 2 weeks to pay up, or I will sell all your properties to recover my money.
So
I thought I had some money in this house. My God. Not even a dime. Mama? Mama?
Yes.
Yes, I can't find all the monies I keep in this house. What is happening?
Are you accusing me of stealing your money?
Oh, no. That is not it. But you are the only one I have in this house now.
Look, I have already decided to leave. Before that, your stream of bad luck started. Please.
No, Mama, please. I'm not trying to accuse you of anything. Just that, you see, my warehouse got burnt with all the goods in it, including other people's own. And now I can't even find a cedi in this house.
That is for you and your God to sort out. I am leaving.
Mama. Hey, what is this? What is happening?
You frosted. You think you can dupe me?
Landlord, what is the matter?
Oh, are you saying you don't know what the matter is? You've sold all your belongings. You have nothing again in my house.
If I sell my belongings, does it concern you?
Oh, yes. Because I'm afraid you will soon sell my house as well. So I have locked up the place. Go. I don't want to see you near my house again. Because if you do, I'll have you arrested.
But this is cheating.
What is cheating?
You can't just sack me. They have to take you to the fast track court.
Oh, you can take me anywhere you want. But all I know is that I have locked up my place. Just leave.
All right. If you have taken your house, then my balance.
Look at this useless man talking about balance. You've not paid 6 months arrears, and you are talking of me giving you balance. Useless man. You are hopeless.
So, where do you want me to sleep now?
You can go and sleep in hell.
Why? For Osafo. When in Kuman, I was in Yababin.
You see the stuff a witch should be made of. We like the suffering of others. And here, Margaret is the role model. Not one I have left for paradise. You will step into my big shoes. Yuji. have a heart for it?
Thank you, most respectfulness. I request for new assignment. I want him dead. Before the prophecy of his causing my doom plays itself up.
Mike, since you lost everything and returned to this village, your life has been going from bad to worse. I have therefore found you a wife who can stay with you and at least keep you company.
No, Margaret. Why are you giving him a wife? In this condition, is that what he needs? Mike, open your eyes well. Jimmy for. Anytime your mother finds a wife for you, it lands you into trouble.
Oh, shut up! Foolish man! Sit down. Hey, Mike. Hey, Mike. This is your wife. Eh? You can do your worst.
Oh, Nyami, Sanutia.
Oh, Sokodokonka. Ashawubo.
What are you doing here?
Hilda, please listen to me. I have been sent from the camp to come and kill your husband.
So what do you want from me? Go ahead, go and kill him.
No, I don't want to kill him. I want to support you in protecting him. We are going to work together and fight against them.
Thank you so much, Rachel. You're a sister.
You know you're my soulmate, and I will never abandon you.
You, what kind of wife are you? Huh? I just want to finish with the quota and we'll go. Okay.
Dear Potter.
Fine. Just the quota and that's all for the night. What kind of wife are you? What do you want me to do? If you want to go and sleep, go and sleep. I just want to.
What? Why? Wafu kakaka. Edidie ni nsankwa na mano. Oba fesu na bedu opena wada.
What do you want me to do?
Abeda ho say tibo. Be ma so nka hu nka akaka. Me da kokko dwodwom na free. Kwase nipa. Nya yese. Kokko na gansen.
Is here? Don't know what I am again. I had a lovely wife who was pregnant. She died. Another woman I love so much. She beat up my mother and I asked her to go. She left and my mother continued to detect to me. Now, I have a wife who I feel is going to kill me. But I don't care. Yes, because I am nothing. I've fallen from grace to grace. But sometimes I feel God still wants me. And if Sheila had been alive, all this would have been avoided.
Look up.
Even Hilda could have saved me, but
Stay.
I chased her away. Now I'm going to die. Yes, I can feel it.
You will never die. You will never die. You will never.
All right then. Secretary, I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, chef. We shall surely meet.
Hey.
Look, Hilda, you have to go to the village and bring Mike out of that place. He will die if nobody helps him. The rate at which he drinks now, if he doesn't kill himself, somebody will.
I want to save Mike. But my mother-in-law would never allow me to enter the house even if I try.
That woman, there is something evil about her. She caused Mike's downfall.
She is his mother. Anyway, I'll see what I can do. But I just can't understand why this woman is bent on destroying Mike.
Well, I'll go with you. Because we cannot allow Mike to rot in that village.
Anyway, how's your wife?
She's all right. She's all right. I'd like to take leave of you now. But please try. Mike is a good fellow. Please.
I'll do the best I can.
Okay. Little girl. I'll see you. Okay?
Okay. My regards to everyone.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Against the rule of darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places. So put on the full armor of God to withstand in the evil days. Hold on the breastplate of
We have to take Mike out of this village. He is wasting away.
Who is wasting away?
Hey. Mike. Mike, how could you allow this to happen to you?
Yaba, I enjoyed the drink last night, so I brought another half.
Hilda, this is Michael. I'm really sad.
Mike, Hilda is here to take you to the city, okay?
Me to the city.
Yes!
If I go to the city, who is going to take care of me?
I'm taking you to Faint's house. He has promised to take care of you, please.
Okay. Finn, the small boy,
he can't take care of me.
Mike, you can't waste your life in a village like this, please.
Hilda, Mike, if you will not stay with Finn, I am ready to help you. I am your friend. Please listen to us.
Look here. Men konne run coach now. I am now the chairman of the Drinkers Association. Do you want me to live without a send-off party?
Mike, please. Mike, please say you go with us, please.
My life is a mess.
Mike, say you go with us, please.
Hilda, there's no need wasting much time. Please, take him along.
Get up.
You see, it's my mother.
Yes. Take him away.
Yeah, but
Mike, let's go.
if you touch my drink, I will shave the rest of your hair.
Mike.
Shave it. Go.
Take it easy.
Against the rule of darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places. So